my closet. Once again, it looks like a tornado has erupted. Is that no, tornado doesn't erupt. It looks like a volcano. Okay, that doesn't work either. What's up, guys? So we are back here again in my closet. We are going to be decluttering, we're going to be getting rid of stuff, and we're going to be organizing. And I'm super excited because it has looked like this for way too long. I don't want to tell you guys how long, like probably like 4 months. So I've done 2 closet cleanouts on my channel before. The first one was at my old place and the other one was in this closet, but it was right when I moved in and everything was out of sorts. But now I have lived here for about 6 months and it just has gotten to this point and it needs to be fixed. So if you guys are excited to see this all nice and clean, then give this video a thumbs up. So for the last few times I've done this, I've taken like everything out of my closet and put it on my bed, and I'm just not gonna do that again because I don't want to do that to myself for the 3rd time, because the first 2 times were a little bit traumatic. So we are not gonna do that this time. This time I decided I just wanna go through every single clothing item already in here and decide if I wanna keep it or not. So I'll either put it on Poshmark, donate it, or just give it away to somebody else. So we're gonna start off with that, and then after that, we are going to go through the rest of the stuff. Sound good? Okay, let's do it. So I have this laundry basket and I'm just gonna throw everything that I want to get rid of in here. I just can't even think about wearing this right now because it's becoming springtime. But I'm gonna keep it because I never actually got to wear it. I'll wear it next year. I love this skirt. I'm gonna keep that. Love this skirt as well as this one. Love me some skirts. Okay, this guy, this is like my favorite jumpsuit. I will not get rid of that. I could probably get rid of this skirt. I got it from the thrift store, but it's by Liz Claiborne. We'll get rid of that. I should probably get rid of this too, but I'm actually gonna use this for a video soon, so I'll keep that for now. Okay, I have 2 of like really similar skirts right here, so I should probably get rid of one of them. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one because this guy is reversible. It has like this print, so I'm gonna keep that guy because it's more versatile, and I'll get rid of this one even though this one's really cute. Let's see, this is by Jones, New York. So this dress I got in Hawaii, and I really wanted to do like a Halloween costume look and wear this and be Moana because I just feel like this looks like a Moana dress, so maybe I'll keep it for Halloween. So I think I am gonna keep this for now, and if I don't wear it on Halloween, I will get rid of it then. But for now, I'll keep that. This I have not worn yet, but it kind of looks better with my dark hair now that I have dark hair, so maybe I will wear this. Okay, this dress I'm gonna get rid of. I've worn this one a lot, but I haven't worn it recently, and I just think I'm done with it. So I'll put this on my Poshmark though. I think I'm gonna get rid of this guy. I wore it during the fall with like a long turtleneck, but then it could also work for the summertime as well. Okay, this guy I think needs to go as well. I wore it once, but it doesn't really fit me anymore. So it's so cute though. It's like this long dress, and you can wear like a short sleeve shirt underneath it, and it has pockets. Super cute. Have to keep that guy, gotta keep him. So this one is a polka dot little wrap dress, and it's super cute. I've only worn, well, I've worn it actually quite a few times, but I think I'm done with it, so I'm gonna get rid of him. I think I'm gonna get rid of this dress right here. It's from Free People. It's really cute, but I don't know, I just haven't worn it and I don't really see myself wearing it anymore. So I think I'm gonna get rid of this top. I actually cut the bottom off. It was a dress, but I did a thrift flip to this and I just cut off the bottom. I've actually wore it with like a long sleeve like black top and it looked really cool. So I'm gonna get rid of this though because I haven't really worn it in a while. This is one of my first ever thrifted pieces, so I just always forget about it. It's really cool though. Okay, this is one of the pieces that I literally bought like 3 years ago, but I've never worn it, and I'm really sad that I've never worn it. It's like this cosmic Disney jacket, and it's like a rain jacket though, so that's the only reason I haven't worn it, and I don't know, maybe I should get rid of it. I think I will get rid of it. I just have never worn it once. Like, it's crazy. I'm gonna get rid of this one too. I've only worn it once, but I don't know. I never know what to wear it with. It's really nice, but I'm gonna let this one go. I'm really trying to downsize a lot. I just feel like my closet has been consumed with clothes, which I know that's where clothes belong, but I just feel like I have too much, and it's really hard to find an outfit in the morning. I just feel like I have not enough things that I love, so then it's like cluttered by things that I never wear, and I'm like, it's hard to find outfits in the morning. If you guys can relate, let me know. Okay, so this unfortunately got like this little stain down here, but I am going to be doing a tie-dyeing day one of these days, so I think I'm gonna tie-dye this, and that would be really cool. I just broke my hanger. Rude. But yeah, I want to tie-dye this, so let me know what color I should tie-dye this. This is like a canvas kind of material. It's like a thicker jacket. So I think this will be a really nice piece once I tie-dye this, so that'll be exciting. Also, okay, let me see what else I can tie-dye actually. I think I actually want to tie-dye this because this white has been fading a lot and I just haven't been gravitating towards this shirt because of that fact, but I think once I tie-dye it, it would be really cool. So also let me know if you guys want to see a video on this channel of me tie-dyeing some of my thrifted pieces because I think that would be a really fun video. So I think I'm going to start making a separate pile for everything that I want to tie-dye. I also want to tie-dye this. This would actually be really cool if I did like a bleach dye to this. Maybe I'll do the bleach dye on this one too. Because I never really wear this one anymore, but we'll jazz it up a little bit with some bleach. Okay, so I said in my last closet clean out, if I didn't wear this by the time I did another closet clean out, that I would get rid of it. So it looks like I have to get rid of this, but I'm so sad. But also, like, am I gonna wear it again? Probably not. Okay, I think I am gonna get rid of this Hawaii shirt. I got this from a thrift store in Hawaii and I wore it there. And I just don't think I will have an opportunity to wear it again, but it's really cute, especially if you like tie it up. Okay, we actually made some progress over here and I'm really happy about that. So let's move on to this section over here. So these items over here I've been wearing recently, so I don't know how many I will actually get rid of, but let's just organize these a little bit better. Okay, so this item I just have not worn that much and I think I will get rid of it. This one I'm really excited to wear in the springtime. I think it'll look so cute. Should I tie-dye this one? That would actually be really cool. I'm going to do that. This one I've been kind of bored with recently. I just like never reach for it really. So if we put some tie-dye on it, spruce it up a bit, could be really nice. I'm gonna have like no white shirts left in my closet. It's just gonna be all tie-dye. This is like one of my favorite ever thrifted pieces. I got this from the Rose Bowl. I wear this all the time. This is definitely one of my favorite ever thrifted pieces. I got this in Georgia. Okay, I don't know why I was just taking that off the hanger because it's staying in my closet. Okay, this one I've been wearing recently, but I think I'm going to donate it just because it's becoming springtime and I just don't know if it's is something that I will wear next year, so we'll get rid of that. This jacket I really like. It's really 70s and I'm here for that. I really like this. Okay, this is a piece that I never actually showed you guys because I got it at the LA thrifting convention that I went to with Carrie, but my footage sadly got erased, so I never was able to upload that video. So it's this really awesome Atlanta Olympics track jacket. And this is the Olympics that I attended when I was like 4, I don't remember. I think it's so cool and I got this when I was there, but yeah, I wasn't able to upload the video because I lost all the footage sadly, but this is one of the pieces that I got. I think I am going to bleach dye this as well because I think that would be really cool, and it's just kind of like plain. It's not like that exciting, but I think after this is bleach dyed, it'll look really awesome. Okay, now we're gonna go through everything that's down here. Definitely think we should tie-dye this one as well. Just because it's like kind of faded white, like it's not that crisp of white, so it's going in the pile to tie-dye. So this is everything that I'm getting rid of, which is quite a lot, honestly, so I'm really happy about that. So I think the next step is just taking out all of the clothes that's over here and organizing that. And then lastly, we're just gonna deal with this, but for now, I just don't want to deal with that right now, so let's do the clothes and go through all of that. So this is all of my jeans and bottoms that I took out, and over here has gotten out of control. So originally I had these holding bras, underwear, socks, I had my workout clothes, as well as my pajamas, but as you guys can see, over time I kind of just threw anything and everything on top of these. So we're gonna organize this, as well as go through my pants and see what I don't want to keep anymore. it's the next day and I'm ready to finish this closet. So I went through all of my clothes yesterday, so that is all taken care of, but what we do need to work on is down here. I think I am gonna take out everything that is on the ground onto my bed so that I can fully see it and I can get rid of things that don't belong in here. This is also like my storage closet, so I will be putting stuff up there. Cue the montage. Let's go. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and organize this by color and by item. That way it looks more cohesive and, you know, just looks better. So I'm just gonna do that really quick. And I'm also gonna pull out some pieces that are really springy, like this one, so that I can start pulling items for my clothing rack out there, so it'll look nice and springy. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to move my shoe rack over here to over here, just because I want to utilize this space right here to hang more clothes, because over here it's breaking. So it's literally cracking because this is so heavy and I don't want to put any more weight over here. So I'm gonna put some more stuff over here. So here's everything that I'm going to be tie-dyeing and bleaching. So that's in this pile. And then over here is everything that I'm gonna get rid of. So basically the majority of everything in here I am gonna be putting on Poshmark. For my closet clean out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I, for one, am very happy that I can actually walk into my closet now. So hopefully I inspired you guys to go through your closet and get rid of items that you don't wear anymore, because it really is such a great feeling. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you guys want to check out my Poshmark, I will be listing all the items that you saw in today's video. Well, not all of them, but just the ones that I got rid of, obviously. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. If you want me to do more like cleaning videos, I do want to do like a whole cleaning my apartment with me. So let me know if you guys are interested in any of that kind of stuff. But yes, that is it. I hope you guys all have a great day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. I was gonna say one in video at the same time. Let's try that again. That's it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. I can actually move. Peace.